Southern Ohioans, we are tough, gritty, hardworking people that are gonna get the work done. The people in my hometown are really second to none. There's the hardest working people in the country there. I've been a lot of places now, I've seen a lot of people, and I know the people there have what it takes to take the next level in all of their lives. You know, I've always been a hard worker, but I really didn't just solely focus on football until college. And, you know, I've just been doing what I've been doing ever since. And that's, you know, working really hard in the weight room, throwing extra passes, doing whatever I need to do to be the best player I can be.
Hard work is in everything I do. I'm very driven, I'm very motivated. I knew I could do more, I just never knew what I should do when it came down to my career. My name is Brianna, and I'm a recent graduate of the IT support program of Prescovis.
I'm excited to see these new opportunities for people in Ohio that might not have had those opportunities in the past, because there's a world of opportunities waiting for them. Skill Up Ohio brings local employers, career coaches, and training providers together to help displaced workers get back to better work as quickly as possible.
Skill Up helped me pay my rent a month early, just so I didn't have to worry about it the next month. It really helped me out a lot. Before this, I was a custodian. It built my character by being aware of different people. It taught me a lot about customer service.
You know, whatever skills you've had in the past, whether it's mental or physical, to adapt them to whatever new skills and new communication skills or new physical skills that you need in order to land the jobs. So I think what makes great coaching is knowing how to coach hard work, leadership, and pushing through obstacles. And that's what has helped me the most.
It was the people around me motivating me to do better. My teacher, Mr. Del Rey, he helped me realizing my strengths that I didn't know that I had. My family had called me every day. How was class? Do you have any homework? And there was times where I'm like, I don't want to do this. I'm done. This is too much for me. And they were like, no, you wanted to do this. You wanted to change. Now do it.
You can only go so far on your own. You know, you can take steps on your own, but you can't jump levels without a great team around you, whether it's your family, friends, whoever it might be. You have to rely on them. Having a strong work ethic has been number one on the list of traits that I have that have helped me reach my goals. Once you decide to take that step of putting in the work that you need to, you're going to see your game go to the next level.
Sometimes you have to get uncomfortable with things just to be comfortable.
You know, one thing about training is that you have to get out of your comfort zone in order to grow. You know, I'm going to make the analogy in the weight room. You can't stay at the same weight the entire time and expect to get stronger. You have to make yourself uncomfortable, and you're going to grow out of that.
For me, I have to get uncomfortable just to get to where I need to be. And it was worth it. You got to push yourself. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough, but it's worth it at the end. I just wanted a work-life balance, and I knew that this program can get me there.
You just have to keep your nose to the grindstone, and deep down, you know if you're putting in the work that you need to, then, you know, things will work out.
I applied for one of the jobs, and literally the next day he called me and was like, you got the job. I'm very excited. I'm stoked.